sometimes God withholds our power to bless him, because he wants the judgment to produce a perfect heart.
Yes.
And if we bring him the right offering, he'll open the door for us.
Amen.
And it won't produce the integrity and the character that we need. So he removes our ability to bless him.
Yeah.
Does anybody follow me? I know it's a little deep.
Yes.
Sometimes God removes our ability to bless him, because the blessing will secure us a place with him. And right now he wants us to know we've lost some ground.
Oh, yeah. Tell me, Pastor.
Because our blessing means so much to him. Our grain offering, our tithe means so much to him that he'll bypass some things that we have produced a stench over. Because that offering alone produces a glorious aroma to God.
Amen. Tell me, Pastor.
And so with Israel, there was no grain, therefore they couldn't offer an offering. He prevented them from bringing him bread because he wanted them to feel the lack of his presence, so that they would become desperate for him. We want to taste of the new wine of your spirit. We want to be full of your glory. We want to be full again. 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 Come on, sing it. We want to be full again. 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 Come to the altar. Jesus, and I'm not afraid to show it.